I haven't made one of these videos in a long time. My day-to-day grind is the speedometer business. The other stuff I do on my projects is kind of in my spare time and in my me time. But our daily grind is speedometer conversions for the export market and rebuilding these GMs especially. We do Fords, we do a few other, Chrysler products. Not much pre-2003, I'll be honest with you. It's just not worth it to me. So definitely 03 to 07, we do a lot of these every week. I'm just gonna walk you through the process.